Welcome to Green Fans, the #1 show for Lasalians and by Lasalians. We're back again, and I'm with Rocha and Vic. We'll talk about the Final Four. We're playing Adamson on Wednesday.
Yeah.
And Ateneo plays FEU on Saturday.
Yeah.
Ang gulo ng schedule, no? Parang ba't hindi na pinagsabay? I get it, bakit? Pero parang ang gulo na talaga yan.
Hindi, last year naman ganyan eh.
Yeah.
Last year, di ba? Pinag-split na rin last year ang Final Four.
Kasi hindi sila naka-reserve ng venue, yun lang yung...
Actually, ininintay ko sa doon.
Hindi, actually,
Ininintay ko sa doon.
ayoko kasi nakita ko na po sa games eh. Dali ako eh.
Hindi pare, puro sila mag-organize.
Kaya may mask.
Pero kang maskara mo, tsaka ako magsasalita.
Kaya may mask to eh.
At hindi mo eh. Pwede mo may maskara din ako, tapos magsasalita ako na gusto ko sabihin. Next time.
Alam mo,
Parang sarap niyan eh. Sarap niyan.
Isang episode lang tayo, nakamaskara na rin.
Pwede.
Jabawakis. Jabarwakis.
Alright. So we're playing at Adamson on Wednesday.
Maganda.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good game. We have the twice to beat advantage. We play against...
Napakagandang script actually. Napakagandang script.
Oo,
Kasi
yung tagahana.
we're facing the coach that led us to the glory years.
Yeah, to multiple titles.
Yes. Magandang kwento.
Multiple orgasm.
Yeah.
So how do you think we should play against Adamson? I mean, we beaten them twice already. And how do you think we'll come out on top of this, especially after two really tough games against a loss to Ateneo and a tough win against FEU?
Pero teka bago yan, naalala ko lang ha. Nung, di ba nung Phil Oil, sila yung una nating kaharap, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they've come a long way since then, ha?
Oo naman.
Sabot pa sila nun.
What do you expect from a bigote system?
Ay, oo, but then, yung kanilang transformation.
Diba naman,
Yeah.
I mean, we all know what Coach Franz Bumaro can do to a team from a nothing to a team that can really contend for a championship.
Oo, ito coach ko sa Benil dyan eh, Final Four kagad.
Hindi, kaya tingnan mo, third place tuloy yung cheerlead squad ni Adamson.
Oo. Kasi si Coach Franz din nag-coach doon. May influence yan eh. Oo. Yung swerte naro-rub off sa...
Nag-third place ang puta yan.
Oo! Kasama sa ganun yun.
Oo.
Kasama yung bro. Kasama yun doon.
Alright, so... Parang di mo alam.
Hindi. Slip of the tongue. Anyway.
Alright.
Speaking in tongue.
Speaking in tongue.
Hindi alam mo, uso naman ngayon yung presidente nga, toot! Ganun na lang gawin mo, Gio, toot!
Alright.
Anyway, sige, back to your
let's talk
question.
about the Adamson game first. You know what surprised me the most is that Papi Sar is second in the MVP race, but I feel like he doesn't have the same impact as RBC.
Hindi. Kasi, hindi. On a personal note, ang laki ng binagbago din ng laro ngayon ni Papi Sar.
Okay.
Mas, ano siya ngayon eh, mas control.
Okay.
Alam mo yun, yung big ban actually ngayon, meron na siyang jump shot.
Siyempre, nag-ituro yun.
Oo naman, kay Coach Tony tsaka kay Coach Don. Ang ano doon, mas maayos siyang maglaro ngayon. He's not their leading scorer, pero he dictates kung ano yung gagawin ng Adamson sa court.
Correct.
I mean, they can run. He's a good last man on defense kasi we know that Adamson is also a full court pressing team.
Yeah.
Just like us
Tsaka yung
years back.
shorts, si ano,
Yung short si Robby Manalang.
Manganti.
Si Sean Manganti. Yun, yung sobrang laki ng impact ni Papi Sar. You may not see it on his points, but on the rebounds, yung defensive end. Actually, without si Ben, si Ben is an extraordinary foreign student athlete.
Yun.
Kung tanggalin mo si Ben kasi for me is an outlier sa stats eh, kasi ibang klase siya.
Yeah.
If you take away Ben and if your team or the school wants to get a foreign student athlete, you don't actually expect that foreign student athlete to score that much.
Correct.
Oy, pero
What you want from them
may
is
pautak din sa akads niya.
oh naman.
Marim.
What you want from your foreign student athlete kasi nga sentro, kasi mostly sentro, di ka na makukuha ng foreign student athlete na guard forward kasi ang dami na nandito sa Pilipinas.
Ibang sport.
So what you expect them to do is get the rebounds, get
Right.
blocks, play good defense, have a high basketball IQ on defense that can set you to run and gun the game.
Yeah,
Ganun ba? So, yun yung impact ni Papi Sarr. So, hindi siya yung good point, syempre, it was si Jerry talaga yan. I mean, and also si Robby Manalang, and si Sean Manganti. Pero yun, iba yung ni Papi Sarr this year.
Yeah, and I think the reason why I asked that, Vic, is because in the last games against Adamson, we controlled Sarr. We controlled Sarr very well, but we let IMEC go last games against us. What do we need to do so that we can control both of those players?
Ang kasi natin doon is siguro yung kasi nga mayhem eh. So we try to up and down, and we are playing the same up and down tempo ng Adamson eh. So ang din ng Adamson, if you have an open shot, take it.
Right. Yeah.
Same thing as ours.
Yeah.
I mean tayo pag nasa break din tayo, we have our own. I mean our players, the Green Archers, have their own green light to shoot that basketball kung sino man yung open, wherever that is, whether it be perimeter or mid-range or inside. If you can take the shot, then take it.
Yeah.
So yun yung, kumbaga mirror image eh. So tingin ko, better location ng mga tao nila, especially pag kunwari na-break na yung initial trap, then nakatawid na sa half court to set it up, siguro kailangan nilang i-locate ng mas mabilis si Manalang, si Anisis, Paranada, si Espeleta. O yun nga, it will be a track meet. I expect it to be a track meet.
Yeah.
But at some point, if the game is close, I think pwede mauwi siya sa half-court sets and execution.
Right.
More than anything else.
I agree with you more than anything there, Vic. I think what's important for LaSalle, not just with this game, but in the next few games, is number one, we have to play our brand of basketball, which is mayhem. Number two, we need to be disciplined.
Yes, of course. Yes. True.
Meaning, we can risk those double teams at the backcourt. Or siguro kahit sa half-court, pwede pa eh. Pero you don't want Ben running in the middle to try and intercept the pass because underneath there, someone's gonna be open. So parang mas malaking risk pag mas malapit na sa basket.
It depends sa rules mo naman eh. Actually, yun ang mo dun eh. Kasi if you, pwede mong tignan yan during the course of the game na if you see that the team is disorganized already at the back, you can put people ng medyo itataas mo na ng konti yan. Kasi since kung sa backcourt pa lang medyo na-disorganized na sila, so it's chances are hindi na makakapasa ng maayos yan eh.
Right. Yeah.
So yun yung
Dati ko sino mas maraming 8-second violation.
Hindi, ano nga eh, ang dyan,
Gano'n kaan yung pagpukan niya.
the keyword really here is sino yung mas disciplined na team.
Yeah.
Kasi panigurado meron ng strategies in place yan eh. Anong full court schemes yung pwede nilang gamitin, ano yung rules na gagamitin nila, ano yung tendencies ng kalaban nila. So more or less kung sino yung mas mag-i-stick, sino yung mas makikinig, mas focused sa adjustments, tingin ko yun, that's the team that will win on next week.
Alright, cool, thanks Vic. So one last question. Let's shift our attention to the Ateneo FEU matchup. My question is,
Grabe sa tawa.
and I don't,
Maligalig ka.
and I don't want to dwell too much about this, only because they're not a LaSalle team, obviously. But if we make it to the finals, who do you want to play against?
No, when we make it to the final.
When we make it to the finals, who do you want to play against? Brocha, you first.
FEU.
Why FEU?
I wanna show it in Nash Rosella's face.
Alin? Yung alin? What do you wanna show?
Ang yabang talaga nung toot na yan eh.
Ano yung show mo?
Yung naka-half mask. Hindi, pero ayoko talaga nun.
Show ka na show.
Ang na itsura nun, tsaka yung Deniso niya, yung mga madudumi maglaro na tsaka ito pa, para mas madali ticket. Pag nasa latin, pataya sa ticket.
Wala ka bang special pass? Yung special pass ka naman. Hindi ka naman nagtitingit eh.
Kilala ko yung guardia.
Di ba kinikindatan mo lang yung guardia, nakapasok ka na?
Yung guardia PSG.
Hindi ka naman nagtitingit, reklamo ka ng ticket, hindi ka naman nagtitingit.
Alright, Vic, would you want to meet in the finals?
Personally, ayoko mamili ng kalaban. Kasi chances are, sa personal experience ko, pag namimili ako ng kalaban, kinakarma ako eh. So, yun, with all honesty, kasi ang principle ko ngayon is that if you want to be the best, you should be able to handle kahit sinong team yung makalaban mo in the finals. Kung God willing, makarating tayo.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sa women's, di ka na mamimili, Enyo talaga kalaban yun.
Hindi, ayoko muna isipin,
Yeah.
One game at a time muna. Kahit sa women's, ano muna, we'll think about that pag andyan.
Yeah, for me, I'd like to play today against them in the finals. Why? Because number one, I feel like they're less physical than FU. Like, feeling ko...
may point ka dyan.
Less physical, pero papayagan ng referee.
Oo, yun lang. Pero, number one, they're less physical. Number two, I feel like we can really player per player outmatch that. We'll really outmatch them. And if we play our game, we can really go a long way. Number three, isn't it sweet to beat Ateneo in the finals? Should we get to that point?
Like, okay lang, game 2, weekday, no? Bad trade.
Yeah, so that's the story.
Ang galing nag-schedule, eh, no?
Yeah, so that's it. So, anyway, that's it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Final Four starts on Wednesday. Yeah, we'll try to shoot.
MOA Arena.
We'll try to shoot right after the game, if not sometime over the week, so that we'll continue to have your dose of green fans. So, thanks for watching, and Animo Lasal. Ito yung cameraman.
Ito.
Yeah.